how did COVID change your life? Do you both have the same type in men? It's gonna be controversial. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, this is not my room, this is Sakshi's room, and we are going to be filming a Get Ready With Me and my BFF, where we're going to be answering some spicy questions about our lives. And I've packed in a hurry, my hair is a mess. I think I'm gonna like unpin all of this. And Sakshi's shoes are making this chapad noise. Have a nice अगं तुला एवढ्या जोरात माझ्या कानात किंचाळली आता. Sorry for whoever had to hear that. Yeah, perfect. We're so close to the camera. People see this on a big screen. It's gonna be like in their face.
Alright.
So yeah, now you start. We've never filmed.
You just show what you're putting on your face and
I think we have to also answer these questions.
So we'll answer while putting.
Guys, I had put this Instagram story, but then nobody really asked us any questions.
So we just made our own questions.
Yeah, no, we didn't make up our own questions. So my favorite YouTuber, Lydia Bay Zulo, she has done a Get Ready With Me with her best friend. That's who I got inspired by to shoot my Get Ready With Me with my best friend. And so I like kind of took questions from that. Okay, cool. The first question is, I really hate this angle for some reason. It's gonna make me look like really like sideways. How did we become best friends? Actually, I'm gonna let you introduce yourself first, because I've never really done like a formal introduction of you.
You want me to introduce formally?
Yeah, like who you are, like why do you exist, what's your goal in life?
Okay, so my name is Sakshi, as you know. I am from the very famous vlog on Sony's channel, which never went up.
Which
the best friend tag, which went on
which went on my
private IGTV. So I'm still going to consider I'm famous that way.
Yeah, you are. Don't worry.
So yeah, so
she's like really slow, like my name. Her name is Sakshi Rasi. We've been best friends for like since like 10th grade was like the peak, but like say 9th grade, because we had like a lot of mutual friends. And let me tell you this very funny story. Okay, very funny story.
What story? I'm scared of this.
So we always had like a lot of friends in common. We were never really friends, and she used to hang with all like the nerds of the class. Like
you were the biggest nerd. She got more marks than me in everything.
So that's not called being a nerd.
It's called
no. Sakshi got nominated for like the prefect. Like Stop it. She used to like sit with all the nerds of the class, and then one day like our common friends introduced each other. So then after that, I was a really talkative kid in class, so my teacher basically changed my place and like put me next to Sakshi, thinking I'd be more like, you know, follow the rules, because Sakshi was like,
guys,
every teacher's pet.
No,
and then
I
the
would have
opposite
been
happened.
prefect.
If the opposite happened, I basically ended up spoiling
against all the new nominated people in school, which is why all the old people had to come back.
Exactly, because everything, it's my way or the highway, guys.
Oh my god, please.
Anyway, the first step of our makeup. Bro, I have like the weirdest stuff in this bag. Look at this.
Oh my god, what?
I think this is NH7. Anyway, she started her makeup. She's half done with it already.
No, what half done?
So
I'm just done with skin prep.
First, I'm going to... I already did my skin prep, by the way.
Okay.
I put a Glossier avocado mask for 20 minutes. Then I put hyaluronic acid, and then I put salicylic acid on my spots, and then I put moisturizer.
So I have used a serum, which is this hyaluronic.
Yeah,
I don't even know how to say it, but whatever.
Hyaluronic acid.
Serum.
It's supposed to be
and
good,
then it's very good before makeup. And then I use the strobe cream
from MAC,
and now I am going to start with my concealer, which is the Too Faced concealer.
Okay, cool. I have like all peasant products compared to her, okay, guys. I'm just using like a Nivea moisturizer.
It's actually good.
Yeah, and then can't find my beauty blender in this bag. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna be using Lakme Fit Me foundation on my face.
Okay, so we didn't answer the question. So how did we become best friends?
I don't know.
So I
guess-
think in 10th standard when your place was changed,
Yeah.
that's when you came and sat next to me.
Yeah.
And then we realized that we live really close by.
Yeah, like I didn't even know she lived opposite my house.
Literally 5 steps away, guys.
She literally was opposite my house.
So then that's how we started exchanging like homework notes and
Yeah.
and because she never had textbooks.
Yeah, I don't know what this is.
never. Like,
I
I
never
don't know
had
what
a
you did.
textbook.
How did you study and get such good marks in the end?
I never had tech. I was like a really weird kid.
So yeah, she was a nerd from birth, guys.
Anyway, so yeah, I guess we just kind of connected because we had similar interests. We always kind of had similar interests. We were always
We
like,
did, but
Yeah.
we never like had the same category in that.
yeah, yeah.
Like similar umbrella.
Yeah, but like if you put two of us together, 2 + 2 is usually equal to 4, but we're equal to 5 because we're extraordinary. Anyway, so our next question. So yeah, that's kind of the gist. It was school and like common friends. We stayed really close to each other.
Yeah, and this was like 10 years back, bro.
Can you believe it?
2014, like
Oh my
almost
God.
10
Yeah,
years.
it's gonna be like 10 years
Oh
soon.
my God.
And because we started 10th in 2013 actually.
Exactly.
So it's literally almost 10 years.
actually. Oh shit.
Yeah. Okay. Do you both have similar interests? We kind of already answered that. Do you both have the same type in men? Yes.
If you say physically, yeah,
Yeah.
but
We're both
I think you
attracted.
have always liked like very different kind of people.
Yeah, see, when it comes to personalities, I think it's different.
Yeah, the type of people you have liked are very different.
See, the weird part is that the schools have weirdly been the same.
Yeah.
The schools have weirdly
The
been
schools
the same.
have been the same because like we have common friends
And stuff,
like that.
yeah. But I guess like physically first glance vibes, it's almost the same. That's why like at the club we have to take L's for each other very often. So yeah.
This was literally last week. Yeah.
So yeah, that's kind of the tea on that. The next question is, how did COVID change your life? You go first.
Okay. So I guess it's pretty similar for everyone. The first thing is that you really got, I really got to know who is there for you.
Yeah,
And
that's
who
true. That's
isn't.
so true.
Like I think she did 20
20.
or 2021. No, it's 21.
Yeah, but what
That she didn't let anyone post stories for her, so
Yeah.
people could figure out it's
If
her
it's really
birthday
my
on their
birthday.
own. Yeah.
Yeah.
So like I think that those were the kind of realizations I had personally. But other than that,
I
I
just
guess
literally became blind right now.
just poke your eye. So
I
yeah,
just poked it.
that was mine majorly.
Yeah, and mine I guess was like I just changed how I thought. Like I used to live in this bubble of mine, even in like uni and stuff, you know. I had like 3 friends and I never really got out of that bubble. And then in COVID I was just like, is this all even real? Just like taking everybody along with me, not knowing, like I was just like, you know what, my friend group can't break. Like taking friends off of my life is like the biggest fear I have. But then when COVID hit, I really like, yeah, I guess the same thing. I just really found out who was there for me. So I made like a conscious effort to like, you know, properly figure out who was meant for me and who wasn't. And I guess yeah, it all worked out in the end. Yeah, that was my biggest takeaway. Also, you know what, for the last 3 years I was based in London. I used to come home whenever I wanted, but like go back also whenever I wanted, right? So I wasn't used to living in an environment or like the same roof with my whole family for a long time, and that really changed my perspective on how I viewed my life. And it was really tough for me to stay with my family in the beginning, and then I started going to therapy, and yeah, it changed my life. So anybody who second guesses therapy, totally gonna vouch for it. Okay, this is getting too deep.
Very deep.
This is getting too deep.
This is very personal.
Yeah. Okay. What's your dream travel destination with me?
Okay. So one of them we've already like kind of completed.
Yeah.
Because I just spent one day with her in that
which
city,
was London.
London.
Because she's got fam there, and then I was also there, and then yeah.
And then other than London, I think
We're pretty basic
I
like
think
that.
Spain.
Yeah, we're
I
pretty
think
basic,
Spain,
like-
because that like I don't
Just
know.
the
I just
vibes.
think we'll have fun
Give
over
me
there
concealer. You have
together.
concealer?
Yeah.
Bro, I forgot to bring my concealer. This is what happens. But this concealer, Are you sure it'll look okay for
Yeah,
me?
just check. It's not my shade exact. It's a little brighter.
Okay.
Others I have lighter ones also.
So yeah, that was even Spain for her, but like I guess whenever Europe in general, I think we're both also very like Greece and
Yeah, like just beach and
yeah.
like fun places,
Yeah.
not like too historic.
Yeah,
but
like
too,
also because we're both very like heavily influenced by YouTube in a lot of ways.
oh my god, yeah, like I don't know, it's just my go-to thing.
Yeah.
More than Netflix also. Like
Yeah, same. And I've started watching. I actually got into YouTube because of her only. We had this actually, you know, we're living our 2-year-old dream right now.
like literally,
Kylie and Chloe
exactly.
doing
Oh
that,
my god,
get
yeah.
ready with me. So yeah, that's kind of Europe, and then London is done. But guys, we never take holidays. Something
Dude,
is like
seriously.
internally wrong with us.
Seriously. But
So,
yeah,
yeah.
that needs to change in 2022.
It will. Like
will,
once
it will.
we get more set. Also because COVID like was
Concealer.
COVID
This
was
might
like
not.
COVID was like the worst thing that happened to our plans.
Actually, do.
'Cause
Like
we-
we had a planned graduation
Trip, you know, like we had a Pinterest board and everything.
Oh my god, we still
have it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had like a Pinterest board and everything, and then
It just
Yeah,
like
COVID
messed
happened.
up everything.
so
Yeah.
yeah, whatever.
We
I've
could
just
have
been
gone.
like dabbing my face for the last 15 minutes. Do you
Yeah.
realize that? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah. I've got like really bad skin at the moment because it was my
Same.
brother's wedding.
I look
and
orange. I literally look
I
orange.
was putting makeup literally every day. I think the color is a little off for you, but it's
Henna?
fine.
It doesn't look that bad though, no?
Yeah, it's not that bad. Just put powder or something.
Yeah. Yeah, anyway, she locked all her brother's makeup looks, guys, by the way. I mean, makeup wedding looks. What am I
Makeup
talking?
looks, yeah.
Anyway, the next question is... I just got like a weird text from Myntra. Name a trait of your best friend that you love plus hate. I'll go first.
Yeah.
Okay. That's because I had an answer for this ready, actually. I love the fact that Sakshi remembers small details. Like, I feel like she will remember how I... Like, if I told her randomly in conversation, you know, this is how I want my party to look like, and if she's ever planning a party for me, she will remember that detail. I feel like you're very good at that.
I am.
And then one trait I hate, it's gonna be controversial, but I feel like she always settles for less. Like she's very impressed by bare minimal effort,
Yeah.
especially men. But I guess she's
Please.
doing much better now.
Please.
She's doing much better now. She's doing
I
much better now.
take like literally 3 years to even like accept.
Yeah, that's true. But I feel like she settles for less in terms of like her whole personality, and she brings so much to the table, like in general, and I feel like she needs to live up more to her potential. That's one thing.
That's true. So for me, the one thing that I don't like, okay, let's start with like.
Yeah.
One thing that I like about her
She has like more don't likes.
is her spontaneous nature, for sure.
Yeah.
Like
Yes.
literally whenever she comes back from the UK, that's the only time we go out. That's literally the only
Party
time we go
animal,
out.
true Sagittarius.
So that is one very important thing, you know.
I'm
we
glad.
need that little bit of spontaneity.
I'm glad.
Spontaneity, whatever.
Spontaneity.
Whatever. Okay,
yeah.
whatever. So yeah.
Spontaneity.
So
Where's
that is
Helen
what
Martin?
we need. And one thing that I don't like about her is
I think
that
I know
she
this.
is very conscious about everything.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Like everything. Like every day I have to give her a reality check that
Yeah.
you know nobody cares.
Actually,
just
nah,
do
nobody
you.
really even cares.
Just do you and
Yeah, I
don't
guess.
even like think twice.
Okay, ma'am.
So that was one thing.
I will work on this. Then, next question is, ooh, name a funny memory you have of me.
Okay, let me think actually.
Okay, now I've done my base, guys. So what I did was I mixed two foundations. I mixed my Huda Beauty Dulce foundation, or however you pronounce it, I really don't know. And then I mixed my Fit Me, because I feel like when I go out and I need the makeup to stay, I put a little Huda because it's like really opaque. Kya kehte hain? Not opaque.
Like full
Concentrated, yeah, full coverage. And then I did like a Lakme, it's a Lakme stick. It's basically, you know, it's not Lakme, it's Maybelline
blush stick.
Yeah, it's like a contour stick, like a shaping contour, not a contour, sorry, a blush stick. So I just dabbed some on my cheek, and then I'm also going to pack it up more with powder, and I'm going to be using my, if I find it, my Dior what is it called?
Yeah, and she
Rouge.
called all this like peasants makeup.
No, I mean to say that no, I always invest in good makeup. What I meant to say is like my steps are all wrong. I just do stuff that like I don't know.
But in the end, it's like whatever.
Yeah, it looks
works for
okay,
you.
I guess. Yeah, okay. What funny memory do you have of me?
Okay, so I guess there was this one funny memory in school when we had just come back from our picnic.
I'm really scared. I'm really scared
When
right
we had
now.
just come back from, we went to Goa for 2 nights, and we came back and we had this song that we sang throughout the trip.
Oh my
And it was
god!
a really like a folk song or something.
What song was it? What song was
I
it?
remember this song. So I don't know the lyrics also now, but I remember
I
it was
totally
this song.
remember this.
So then we came back and this girl collected everyone she could. And I started
I was
singing
quite the class clown. I'm not
this
gonna lie.
song in
Like
front
really
of the
loud.
whole school. And then the principal called us to the office, and the first thing the principal says is like they announced it on the main
On the main
mic
intercom,
or
like the
whatever.
entire school heard
So
this.
the whole school heard this, and the principal goes like, Saloni Dhanukar and her gang, please come down. Like literally she was known for this.
Oh my god, I used to do random stuff, guys.
Exactly.
Random
So I
stuff.
guess that is like a very prominent memory.
Even I have a very prominent funny school memory, but I'm not gonna give them a school memory. I'm gonna
I think I know which one. The same story that she goes and tells everybody.
Which one? No, this
Me
is not from school.
Eating.
No, this is not from school. This is not from school.
Okay.
This is
Okay, I believe you.
Actually there are too many. There are too many because Sakshi's like the giggle queen of our group. Like once she starts giggling, it doesn't really stop.
Even like normally in life, I'm always
Yeah.
giggling. I think that's my coping mechanism.
Yeah, she's always giggling. Even when like
yeah.
people are nervous, like the most
Yeah.
like
At home also,
serious
people think I'm
conversations.
mad.
Yeah.
basically. So yeah, that is me.
Okay, wait, I have this really funny. It's not a funny memory, it's a cute memory actually. Basically, 2020 COVID, I had come back in Feb, and this is like we had no clue that COVID even existed at this point. And we came back from I came back from London literally like 3 days before her birthday, and I was all like, you know what, I'm not gonna come back, like oh my god, I'm gonna miss you so much and stuff. And she was literally getting ready in her room, like sending me snaps and stuff that oh my god, you know, I'm going out, I'm gonna miss you so much, whatever. She goes to the club, everything's worked out, she's not found out, everything's fine. She goes to the club and a friend of mine meets her at the club at the door.
I feel so bad for like
At the door for all the build up.
Yeah, the
he
build up.
meets her at the door and he goes like, oh, what did he say? Did you meet Saloni?
No, is Saloni coming?
Yeah, he's like, is Saloni coming? And she's like, how will Saloni
See,
come?
I already had a gut feeling that
Like I
she's
would
gonna
come.
come. Yeah, like usually my mom literally tells me all surprises, okay, in the
Yeah.
start, but this she somehow hid.
Yeah, I had
Okay,
told
she
Madhi.
somehow hid,
Yeah.
and I just had this gut feeling like before I even came to Pune. So I was interning in Bangalore. So
Bangalore,
before I
yeah.
even came to Pune for my birthday, I just knew that this girl is gonna come. I don't know why. So I was
Yeah.
trying to like track her somehow. I'm like,
Yeah,
I know
she was
she's
trying
in
to
India.
track my
I
Snapchat.
just know she's in India, you know.
Yeah, so anyway, he met her at the door and then he asked her this question, and then that time she called me and I wasn't picking up her call. And yeah, then later I went surprised, and there was one hell of a night. That was actually our last night out
Oh
before
my
COVID.
god, yeah, like literally it was like 26th or 25th Feb.
25th.
And that was our last
like
proper party.
yeah.
Like no,
like COVID didn't
no
exist.
restrictions,
Yeah.
nothing. Like
COVID
honestly,
didn't exist, like no
that
mask.
was all out. Like we went all out.
Yeah. Okay guys, we're taking a break on this because I can't talk and do my eye makeup. But what I'm doing basically is that I'm just using the residue shadow I had on my brush, which is like a brownie color, and giving it like a base. And then I'm going to use this Dior palette that I used even during my birthday, and I'm going to do like some golden stuff. And Sakshi's probably going to do something super...
So no, I'm not doing anything this thing. I'm into like really dewy skin, so you can see like
Yeah.
I put so much setting spray and highlighter on my face.
yeah.
But yeah,
that's true.
I'm just using my mascara now. It is the Too Faced. I think this whole video I've used only two. So I'm using the Damn Girl mascara,
Okay.
and you will see the difference in like
5 minutes.
5 seconds. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get up and like do we're gonna pause this vlog here guys, and we're gonna come back with our completed looks because
yeah.
we don't have time, and Ria's gonna pick us up in literally like 10 minutes, so bye.
Call us when you're done. Bye.
We are done with our makeup. Beauty queen looking so good and dewy, and I also look pretty
Yes.
okay.
We look great, guys. Please tell her not to be conscious of anything.
Right? Okay, thanks. I think we're gonna like click pictures now. Because I really like this dewiness. Thanks to Sakshi, she made me use. What did you make me use? Nude sticks, multi-purpose.
Yeah, it's a highlighter.
Yeah, it's like
So
really
good.
nice. Actually, really liked it. And yeah, these are my new earrings, by the way. Got them from Aldo, how do you pronounce it? I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna wait for Ria to pick us up, and then I guess I'll vlog more at Pasha.
This will be.
Okay guys, we just clicked like a couple of pics and we're really happy with them because we look really cute today. Feeling ourselves. See you at the... We're not going to a club.
Whatever.
We're going to this really nice place. Actually, I vlogged it in the wedding vlog, so you guys will know it's Pasha. Oh, she's here. She's here. She's here.
Yes, it is her. Yes, madam. Come to my house only. Have you left? Okay. Okay, we are coming up.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to the...
I was hoping there are no stories to be told tomorrow.
Of course there will be, but not if we get... Happy birthday! Welcome to the 23 Club.
Thank you.
And where are we going?
We're going to floor number
24. Who remembers this from my earlier vlog days? This is Ria, this is Sakshi. We're waiting for Adit and we're ordering some drinks right now. And...
Closes at 11 PM.
No, 12ish. They just move everyone inside.
2 rows.
Guys, these chips at Pasha, whoever watches this vlog and is Pune based,
They have all the
really good chips. They're so good.
We have whiskey sour.
Yeah, oh my god, should we have whiskey sours? Their whiskey sours are so good. Oh, mine's with egg, no? Perfect, thank you. Cheers to Ria Shah for always being the entertainer and being the amazing girl she is. And London has truly grown on you.
This one is Peshawari man, this one is Paneer.
Peshawari and paneer. Ew, what is this lighting? Guys, we're having a really good time. Update. The birthday girl. We're having whiskey sours. We're just one whiskey sour down. The wind is blowing and it's like really nice atmosphere. And this is Sakar's car. And yeah, that's the update. That's the update. We're waiting for Adit. Adit is coming. Yeah. Okay, we're waiting for Adit. He's on his way for the last 45 minutes, but that's just Adit being Adit. Thank you.
Cheers everyone.
Cheers. Cheers. Put the... Wait, how do I record? The update is that we just ordered a bottle of wine. We're having a really nice time. Dino, that's why.
That's right.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much,
We just finished the party. It's like 1 AM and there are these random people at the club who started singing a Christmas carol, by the way. We're going to the bathroom to click some cute pics now. We're done with our picture session and we're heading home now. It's like 1 AM. I had a great night. We celebrated Ria's birthday. Yes.
Somebody call Adit.
Yeah, someone call him. Happy birthday. And yeah, I guess I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Get it.
I'm leaving.
You're leaving. You're leaving. As soon as my camera goes on, he's leaving.